Students, today we will go for aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. Previous chapter alcohols and phenols, alcohol, phenols and ether. In alcohols, the carbon atoms attach to oxygen with the single bonds. That is alcohols and phenols and ether also, carbon and oxygen with the single bonds. But here aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid, this is a very important chapter, both the board as well as entrance examination. But here carbon atoms is linked with, carbon atom is bond with the oxygen with double bond. Carbon atom is bonded with oxygen with double bond, that is called as carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds. What are carbonyl compounds? Aldehydes, ketones are called carbonyl compounds. Here the carbonyl atoms, carbon with oxygen with the double bond, the carbonyl compounds with attached with carbonyl compound or carbonyl carbon is attached with hydrogen atoms. Carbonyl compound is attached with hydrogen atoms is called aldehydes. And here also carbonyl compound. Carbonyl compound is attached with both side hydrocarbons. Carbonyl atoms, carbonyl compounds is attached with both side hydrocarbons is called ketones. Okay. Next, coming to the carboxylic acid, the carboxylic acid also contain carbonyl compound. Carbonyl compound is attached with hydroxy group. Carbonyl compound is attached with hydroxy group called carboxylic acid. Okay. This is aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. All three functional group which contain carbonyl. Coming to the sum of acid derivatives of compounds is there. Carbonyl compound is attached to halogen, that is called acid chloride. Carbonyl compound is attached to amine, NH2 functional group, it is called acid amide, and carbonyl compounds is attached to alkoxy group, that is called as ester. Coming to here, the general formula, this is a general formula. Suppose I will take here RCHO, we can write here RCHO. This is also general formula of aldehyde. In case we are using R means either it may be hydrocarbons or hydrogen also. Hydrocarbons or hydrogen. Okay. Hydrocarbon or hydrogen. Suppose I will write here H, C double bond O, HCHO. HCHO, that is the name is formaldehyde instead of R. In case here instead of R we will take here CH3 C double bond O CS. Hydrocarbon, not hydrogen. If it is hydrogen is coming means that is also formaldehyde. Carbonyl compound is both side attached with hydrocarbon, whether it may be aliphatic hydrocarbons or aromatic hydrocarbons. Okay, here the both side it is having a hydrocarbons. The example is common name acetone. Okay, acetone. Coming to here, general formula of carboxylic acid means RCOOH. RCOOH is the general formula. Suppose I will take here R means examples is CS3, COOH, that is the name is acetic acid, acetic acid. Okay, these are examples of formaldehyde and examples of ketones, that is acetone, examples of carboxylic acid, that is acetic acid. You take instead of H here CS3 coming means here CS3 CO H CHO CS3 CHO. The name is acetaldehyde. Common name is acetaldehyde. In case we are using C6H5 aromatic compound, C6H5 C double bond O CH3. Okay, this is the acid derivatives. This is acetophenone. Acetophenone. And here also you take acetic acid, propanic acid, benzoic acid. Instead of CS3 means we are taken C6H5, COOH. This is benzoic acid. Okay, these are examples of aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid. But the carbonyl compound, some other examples is there. Generally you should know that it is having a carbonyl compound. In case the another example, this is aldehyde and ketones. Coming to the carboxylic acid and acid derivatives means here carboxylic acid is attached to carbonyl compound is attached to halogens means, for example, is general formula RCOOH. RCOOH. Instead of OH, here I will take here chlorine means chlorine, here chlorine. Okay, that is the name is acid chloride, acid chloride. Suppose I will take here same RC double bond O. Here carbonyl compound is attached to NH2. This is NH2 is called functional group. Which one? Amides. Which amides? Acid amides. We can call acid amides. In case suppose RC double bond O, OR, RCOOR is called general formula of esters. In case the functional group is RCOOCOR, this is the another functional group is called anhydride. Listen here what will happen, suppose here the all it is having the functional group, it is a main, it is a carbonyl compound, here also carbonyl compound, here also carbonyl compound, here also carbonyl compound. This is the acid derivatives, except esters, acid derivatives of compounds, acid chloride, it is acid amide and anhydride. Okay, these are it is another examples of acid derivatives. Okay, this is the general formula of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. We will go for one by one. The first subchapter is aldehydes and ketones. What are aldehydes and ketones? Nomenclature of aldehydes and ketones, preparation, physical property and chemical property. Next another subchapter, the carboxylic acid. We will go for one by one. Next we will go for aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid widespread in plants and animal kingdoms, and it is very important is role of biochemical reactions. Okay, aldehydes and ketones will form, it is having a synthetic perfumes, and plants kingdoms like vanilla, the structure of vanilla, this is aldehyde functional group. This is vanilla beans. Okay, and another one is meadowsweet. The meadowsweet, this is also aldehyde functional group. It is a natural occurring meadowsweet. The name is salicylaldehyde. Okay, salicylaldehyde. And another one is cinnamon. It is called as cinnamaldehyde. CH double bond CHO. This is cinnamaldehyde. Okay, these are all it is having a plants and animal kingdoms. And another one, it is a synthetic perfumes, aldehydes and ketones we are using is ketones is synthetic perfumes like acetophenone. Okay, these are all it is having a important factors of widespread of plants and animal kingdoms. These are the general examples. Coming to the nomenclature, the general formula, these are all it is having a general formula. The name is acetophenone. Another common name is CS3CO, CS3, the common name acetone. These are according to the carboxylic acid. Next we will go for the nomenclature of carbonyl compounds is a common name and IUPAC name of carbonyl compounds. Nomenclature and structures. Generally the common name and IUPAC name. Common name on the basis of corresponds to carboxylic acid. Corresponds to carboxylic acid. It is the carboxylic acid, the formula it is a formic acid. If the aldehyde is there means formaldehyde. Suppose the acetic acid is there means the aldehyde is name is acetaldehyde. Simultaneously corresponds to carboxylic acid. For example, here acetic acid is there, formic acid, HCOOH is a formic acid, but the HCHO, the common name is formaldehyde. Okay, general formula for aldehyde is CHO. If instead of here or instead of R, it is we are taken hydrogen, that is examples of formaldehyde. Here suppose I will take CS3 CHO, or we will write here CS3 CHO. Okay, CS3 CHO, CS3COH is acetic acid, here acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. Okay, in case the ketones is coming means here the ketones CS3CO, CS3, this is the acid derivatives, acid, ketones is there means you have to call acetone, you have to call acetone. In case aromatic compounds is coming means aromatic compounds, this is the C6, H5, CO, CS3, the name is acetophenone. These are all is common name of organic compounds, aldehydes and ketones. In case here C6H5CHO, that is a benzaldehyde, common name C6H5 CHO, this is CHO, the common name is benzaldehyde. Okay, benzaldehyde. Here what will happen, if the substituent group is coming means, substituent group means is the branches is there means, we will go for the next carbon of the carbonyl compound. In case here what will happen, CH3, CH2, CHO. What is name? 1, 2, 3. How many carbon? 3 carbon. 3 carbon means here propane. Aldehyde is there means you have to pronounce propanaldehyde. Propanaldehyde. Okay, common name. If the 4 carbon is there means CH3, CH2, CH2, CHO. 4 carbon is there means here butyraldehyde, butyraldehyde, butyraldehyde. In case the carbonyl compound, suppose I will write a carbonyl compounds like this means here carbonyl compound. Next carbon is alpha, next carbon is beta. In case the branches is there means you have to branches, any branches CH3 or bromo or Cl chloro or amino or nitro compounds, substituent group is there means you should remember in common name, carbonyl compound next of the carbonyl compound is called, it is an alpha carbon which contain nitrogen, alpha carbon which attached to substituent group, this is the substituent group, alpha and beta, this is the beta derivatives, beta bromo, common name you have to pronounce beta bromo, butyraldehyde, beta bromo butyraldehyde. This is the common name. In case the carbonyl compound, next of the carbonyl compounds is aldehydes or ketones, you have to pronounce here the next carbon atoms, this is alpha, next one is beta, next one is gamma, next one is delta. These are the in common system, not EPAC system, in common system. Next we will go for what is the nomenclature, structure of these are all structure and common name of aldehydes and ketones. Next we will go for EPAC system, IUPAC system. It is what will happen if the aldehydes is there means in IUPAC name what we will go for here aldehydes means you have to pronounce the suffix is called AL. This is aldehydes. In the ketones is there means the suffix is for ol. Okay, all and ol. Aldehyde is there means you have to one carbon is a methane and the suffix is al, that is a methanol. If the 3 carbons is a propane and the suffix is ol, that is called as propanol. Okay, we will go for one by one the nomenclature of common name, structure, common name and IUPAC name. Next we will go for the common name and IUPAC name of carbonyl compounds, aldehydes and ketones. First we will go for aldehydes. The first one, first carbon HCHO, HCHO. The common name is formaldehyde. Common name is formaldehyde. IUPAC name formaldehyde. IUPAC name how many carbon? 1 carbon. The word root is methane. Instead of E we have to pronounce suffix is called ol, methanol. If alcohol is there means methanol, OL. Aldehyde is there means it is a methanol, AL. Suppose I am taken here CH3, CHO, acetaldehyde, the common name 2 carbon is there, this is the common name is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. How many carbon? 2 carbon is there. IUPAC name is ethane. Suffix is al, ethanol. Okay, ethanol. In case 3 carbon, CH3, CH2, CHO. This is 3 carbons. The common name is propanaldehyde. IUPAC name is propane. all, propanol. Okay. Simultaneously, the 4 carbon is butyraldehyde. This is a common name is butyraldehyde, butanol. Pentanaldehyde, common name is pentanaldehyde, pentanol. Hexanaldehyde, hexanol. If the branches is there means 4 carbon CH3, CH2, CH2, CHO. This is not branches, this is a butyraldehyde. Common name is butyraldehyde. Butyraldehyde. IUPAC name butane, butanol. Okay. In branches is there means CH3, CH, CH3, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is CHO. How many carbon here also? 4 carbon. The common name is isobutyraldehyde. Isobutyraldehyde. IUPAC name 1, 2, 3. 2-methyl. This is the alpha position. This is the alpha position. 2-methyl. 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 How many carbon? 3 carbon is there. 2-methyl propanol. 2-methyl propanol. In case branches is there means CH3, CH, 2, CH. The branches is a chloro derivatives is there means CH2, CHO. This is a carbonyl. Next carbonyl compound, this is alpha. This one is beta. Beta chloro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Beta chloro. This one's alpha position and beta chloro. 5 carbons. The name is pentanaldehyde. Pentanaldehyde. IUPAC name 1, 2, 3. 1, you have to, in IUPAC name you have to including carbon numbering start from 1, 2, but common name is next of the carbonyl compound you have to pronounce alpha, beta. IUPAC name means you have to consider with functional group is 1, 2, 3. 3 chloro. Listen here carefully. 3 chloro. 3 chloro. How many carbon total? Penta. 3 chloro. Pentanol. 3 chloro. Pentanol. This is the branches is there means you have to call it is beta position. In case if the so many carbons here the more than one functional group CH 2 CH NH2 CHO. How many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. Here next of the carbonyl compound we can write here carbonyl compounds. This is a carbonyl compounds. Next of the carbonyl compounds here alpha, beta, alpha amino, amino is a substrate group. Alpha amino butyraldehyde. Alpha amino butyraldehyde. Here numbering will start 1, 2, 2 amino. IUPAC name 2 amino butanol. 2 amino butanol. Okay, this is the structure of aldehydes. These are all common name and IUPAC name. In case here the carbon compound containing CH3, CH2, CHO. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon hexanaldehyde. If here the position it will coming, it is having a OH means Here alpha, beta, here gamma, gamma hydroxy, gamma hydroxy, gamma hydroxy 1 to the hexenaldehyde, gamma hydroxy hexenaldehyde. Nomenclature IUPAC name 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 hydroxy, 4 hydroxy hexanol. This is the suffix is Al. The suffix should come, it is Al, and the common name it is formed, it is a aldehydes. If the aldehydes which containing aromatic compounds, aldehydes which contain aromatic compounds, this is a structure of aldehyde, benzaldehyde. The common name is benzaldehyde. Common name is benzaldehyde. IUPAC name benzene. IUPAC name benzene. This is a CHO is carbaldehyde. Benzene carbaldehyde. Benzene carbaldehyde. Benzene carbaldehyde. In case here CHO adjacent carbon is attached to aldehydes, the common name thialdehyde. Common name is thialdehyde. IUPAC name 1, 2 position is aldehyde. Here also benzene 1, 2 dicarbaldehyde. Suppose here benzene which contain aldehyde, CHO and nitro derivatives is there. Which position? This is a meta position. Meta nitro benzaldehyde, or meta chloro, whatever it may be there, meta nitro benzaldehyde. Next, the IUPAC name 1, 2, 3, 3 nitro benzaldehyde or 3 nitro benzene carbaldehyde. Okay, 3 nitro benzene carbaldehyde. Or benzaldehyde, 3 nitro benzaldehyde. Okay, next we will go for if the branch is different branches is there, means here CHO is there and here chloro derivatives is there, metachloro benzene carbaldehyde, or more than another functional derivative is there. Here also the chlorobromo is there, means here bromo, numbering it will start 1, 2, 3. Here one functional group is there, means it is a metachloro benzaldehyde. IUPAC name is 3-chloro benzene carbaldehyde or 3-chloro benzaldehyde or benzene carbaldehyde. Okay, suppose here this is cyclohexane which contain aldehyde. This is the IUPAC name cyclohexane, cyclohexane carbondehyde, cyclohexane carbondehyde, cyclohexane carbondehyde. Okay. Next we will go for the nomenclature of ketones. If the ketones is 3 carbons, it will start minimum 3 carbons. CS3, CO, CS3. Okay. This is the common name is acetone. Common name is acetone. IUPAC name, how many carbon? 3 carbon, 1, 2, 3 carbon. Propane suffix is one. Propanone. Okay, propanone. In case here CS3, CH2, CO, CS3, CO, CS3. This is here butanone, butanone. IUPAC name 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, butane, butane 2, 1. Second position is butanone. Okay, next one CS3, CH2, C double bond O, CH2, CS3. Here the pentanone, pentanone. Okay, IUPAC name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 position is there. Here the 3 position pentane, pentane 3 one, pentane 3 one. Okay. Next, in case the aromatic, here also branches is coming means here coming means alpha, here means beta. These are the examples of alpha beta position is similar to the aldehydes. Okay. Next, you will go for aromatic compounds. Aromatic compounds C6H5, CO, CS3. Okay. Acetophenone, they will ask, write the IUPAC name of acetophenone. 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 Okay. Nomenclature IUPAC name 1, 2. Second position is phenyl, 2-phenyl ethanone. Okay. 2-phenyl, 2-phenyl ethane, ethanone or ethane 2-one. Okay, ethanone or 2-phenyl ethanone. Next we will go for the structure of carbonyl compounds. Structure of carbonyl compounds, the carbon atoms which contain 3 sigma bond, 1, 2, 3 sigma bond, it is a plane of symmetry. When the 3 sigma bond, it is hybridization is sp2 hybridization. Next, the orbitals, it is a pi orbitals, it is above the plane and the pi electrons is cloud on the above the plane and below the plane of symmetry. And here the oxygen which containing lone pair 2 non-bonded lone pair of electrons. When the 3 sigma bonds and 1 pi bond, the hybridization is sp2 hybridization. The bond angles, it is a plane of symmetry bond angles, it is 120 degree, 120 degree, 120 degree, the bond angles, each carbon and oxygen atoms. Here the resonance structures of carbonyl compounds is resonance structures of carbonyl compounds. This is the resonance structures of carbonyl compounds. Here the carbonyl compound is resonance structures. It is between the dipole moment, the carbon and oxygen. Oxygen is more electronegative than carbon. Electrons is moves from carbon to oxygen. To form the charge is here the negative charge oxygen. It is a double bond is converted to single bond. Here the electrophilic carbon, it is called as electrophile, and oxygen is nucleophile. This is the resonance electrons movement of one atoms to another atoms, that is called as resonance structures. Next we will go for preparation of aldehydes and ketones. First we will go for aldehydes and ketones. Here preparation of aldehydes and ketones. Previous chapter we are discussed alcohol, chemical properties of alcohols. The first one, oxidation of alcohols. Okay, oxidation of alcohols means when the primary alcohols, this is the primary alcohols is oxidized with, primary alcohol is oxidized with chromium trioxide to form aldehyde. Primary alcohol is oxidized with, it is a selective oxidizing agent or mild oxidizing agent. Pyridine chlorochromate is a mild oxidizing agent. It is the product is formed, it is aldehydes. Suppose I will take here CH3CH2OH, okay, is oxidation with, it is a PCC, okay, to form CH3CHO. Primary alcohol oxidized with chromium trioxide or PCC to form aldehyde. Suppose I will take secondary alcohol or CHOH, or secondary alcohol is oxidized with chromium oxide to form RCOR. Okay, this is the functional group is called ketone. Preparation of aldehydes and ketones, oxidation of alcohols. First one. Second one, here also from alcohol, that is dehydrogenation. Dehydrogenation of alcohols. This is the dehydrogenation of alcohols. Okay, or CH2OH is heated with copper. Alcohol is heated with copper at 300 degrees Celsius, to form aldehyde. Here one nitrogen and hydrogen is removal to form one molecules of hydrogen is released, dehydrogenation to form aldehyde. In case we are taken secondary alcohol or CHOHR, this is a secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol is heated with copper at 300 degrees Celsius, it is a dehydrogenation to form ketones, This is also dehydrogenation of alcohol, primary alcohol and secondary alcohol. Suppose we are using primary alcohol, means we are getting aldehyde, secondary alcohol means we are getting ketones. Okay. Next one, the third one, from alkane, from hydrocarbon, okay. Hydrocarbons means we can prepare aldehydes and ketones using hydrocarbons, that is called alkylation, or alkynes, from alkynes, hydrolysis. Here suppose we are taken General formula of alkene here, alkynes CH. Hydration, okay, hydration of alkynes. Hydration means addition of water. Addition of water. Hydrocarbons means alkenes and alkanes. Okay, this is alkynes. Alkynes are acetylene. The name is acetylene. Acetylene is heated with dilute H2SO4. Dilute H2SO4 means which contain water in presence of 1% mercury sulfate to form here HOH. Hydrogen is attached here means CH2. Next double bond CHOH. The name is ethanol, which undergoes dynamic equilibrium. Protons is undergoes dynamic equilibrium means here dynamic equilibrium. Hydrogen is shifted to here CH3CHO. Okay, CH3CHO. This is the name is acetaldehyde. Okay, acetaldehyde. In case we are taken ketones CH, C triple bond CH. Okay, the name is here propine, here ethyne, another name is ethyne. Suppose propine is heated with dilute H2SO4 in presence of 1% mercury sulfate. Dilute H2SO4 means it is an addition of water HOH. Okay, HOH to form CH3COH double bond CH2. Okay, CH3COH double bond CH2. It is dynamic equilibrium. The protons is transferred to here CH3CO CH3. This is acetone. Okay, aldehydes, ketones from alcohols, oxidation of alcohols. Aldehydes and ketones, it is also from alcohols, but it is dehydrogenation. This is oxidation using a mild oxidizing agent. Dehydrogenation means it is heated with copper at 300 degrees Celsius to form aldehydes and ketones. And this is a previous year in hydrocarbons. We are already discussed in hydrocarbons chapter. Alkynes, chemical properties of alkynes. Alkynes is react with hydration. Alkynes is react with water in presence of mercury sulfate to form aldehyde ketoenol tautomerism. This is a tautomerism. Okay, ketoenol tautomerism. This is a aldehyde tautomerism. Okay, aldehyde and enol tautomerism. Okay, these are all it is having a preparation of aldehydes and ketones from previous chapter and previous year. These are the discussion. Okay. Next, we will go for preparation of aldehydes and ketones from hydrocarbons. That is called alkenes. Okay, This is also we are already discussed in previous year. Ozonolysis. Another one is ozonolysis. Okay. Suppose here hydrocarbons of alkenes, here CH2 double bond CH2. What is the name? Name is ethene. Ethene is react with ozone. Ethene is react with ozone to form, you have to write here both here CH2 double bond, CH2 should not write double bond. Ozone means how many oxygen? 3 oxygen. 3 oxygen. To form ozonide, the name is ozonide. Next, ozonide is which undergoes hydrolysis in presence of zinc, which undergoes hydrolysis in presence of zinc. It is elimination of hydrogen peroxide. The bond is cleavage here. The bond is cleavage here. H2O2, H2O and O, H2O2. The CH2O, CH2O and another molecules of CH2O, CH2O. We can write here the HCHO, CH2O, here also CH2O. The name is formaldehyde. Here also CH2O, this is also, the name is formaldehyde. Suppose we are taken ethene is react with ozone to form ozonide, which undergoes hydrolysis in presence of zinc to form formaldehyde. Okay. In case here 3 carbons, CS3, CH double bond, CH2, the name is propene. The name is propene. When the propene is react with ozone to form CS3, CH, CH2, CS3, CH, CH2, the product is formed ozone, ozonide. Okay. When ozonide is which undergoes hydrolysis in presence of zinc, listen here, the bond is break here, the bond is break here, CS3 CHO, CS3 CHO and HCH2O, CH2O is called HCHO. HCHO is a removal of hydrogen from peroxide. This is the name is acetaldehyde and the another name is formaldehyde. Okay. This is the preparation of aldehydes, here also aldehydes. If suppose I am taken 2-butene, the 2-butene is react with ozone to form butene ozonide, and butene ozonide is react with water hydrolysis, you will get 2 molecules of acetaldehyde. If you want the ketones means you have to take the branches. Branches means here suppose CH3 C branch CH3 double bond CH CH3. How many branch? 1 branch. Suppose here the 2 branch means CH3 CH3 double bond C, here also 2 branch CH3 CH3. Okay. 2,3 dimethyl butene, 2 here 2 methyl butene. It is react with ozone, it is react with ozone to form ozonide in carbon-carbon double bond. Okay, to form ozonide means CS3, C, C, CS3. Ozonide means 1, 2, 3. This is the ozonide. Okay, ozonide, which undergoes, here branches is there, listen here, one branches to here, CH3, okay, which undergoes hydrolysis in presence of zinc, releasing H2O2. The bond is break here, CS3CO, CS3, CS3CHO, here CH bond is there, CS3CHO, the bond is break here, CS3CO, CS3 plus CS3CHO. The name is acetone and another one is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. In case we are using two branches means you will get a ketones. Here also it is react with ozone. It is react with ozone to form CS3, O, CH3, ozonide, which undergoes hydrolysis, CS3CO, CS3CO, CS3, which undergoes hydrolysis in presence of zinc, releases of hydrogen, 2 molecules of CS3CO, CS3. Okay, these are all ozonolysis of alkenes. We have taken the alkenes, depend upon alkenes. If you want the formaldehyde means you have to take ethene, and any terminal alkenes we have taken means you will get a formaldehyde and remaining number of aldehydes. Suppose if you want to ketones means you have to take branches. When the branches is there in the carbon-carbon double bond means you will get ketones. If the one branch means we are getting one is a ketones, another one is aldehyde. If the two branches is there means carbon-carbon double bond, you will get a product is ketone. Okay, this is the preparation of aldehydes and ketones.